Welcome to Dedicated Diary. Kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. In this short video, I will show you how to post Instagram Reels for $200 per day. Welcome to Dedicated Diary. Kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. In this short video, I will show you how to post Instagram Reels for $200 per day. My simple remote job for people in your country. This guide will explore 7 quick and easy methods on how to make money on Instagram, whether you have 1,000 or 100,000 followers. How do you make money on Instagram? Depending on your unique brand of Instagram content, your audience, and your level of commitment, you can make money on Instagram in the following ways. Doing sponsored posts for brands that want to get in front of your audience. Becoming an affiliate and making a commission selling other brands' products. Monetizing your videos or content with advertisements. Going live with badges is another way of making money on Instagram. Creating and selling a physical or digital product, or offering a paid service. Selling licenses for your photography or videos. Pull people with powerful content. The beauty here is that chasing one revenue stream doesn't necessarily rule out another. So, going by that rule, let's start with the most common approach to Instagram monetization, partnering with brands as an influencer. 1. Collaborate with brands on sponsored posts. An influencer is basically anyone who's built themselves an online reputation by doing and sharing awesome things online. To their audiences, influencers are tastemakers, trendsetters, and trusted experts whose opinions about certain subjects are respected. Many brands just can't compete with that, so they partner with influencers on sponsored content like posts, reels, and stories that help get the word out about their products. 2. Become an affiliate. Unlike an influencer, an affiliate is more invested in making sales for the partner brand, not just generating awareness in exchange for a commission. 3. Monetize your content. Monetize your videos with ads. Another way for entrepreneurs to make money on Instagram is through in-stream video ads. With these ads, brands can promote themselves within the videos you produce. Turn on in-stream video ads and start earning in 3 steps. 1. Go to account settings. Tap creator, then in-stream video ads. 2. Tap get started. Read and agree to the terms and conditions. 3. Toggle allow monetization on your existing Instagram videos, then tap continue to finish. 4. Going live with badges. Inspired by the popular tip you feature on TikTok and Twitch, the Instagram badges are a new monetization concept enabling influencers/creators to make money on Instagram. This feature enables viewers and followers to buy badges during a live stream. The number of hearts next to the username of the followers denoted the badges they purchased. The followers/users could buy badges for 99 cents, $1.99 and $4.99. Creators in the US, UK, France, Spain, Italy, Germany, Japan, Australia, Turkey, Brazil and Mexico can take advantage of the new monetization program. But yet to hit the India market. 3. Open your own e-commerce store. By now it might sound like the only way for an Instagrammer to make money is to sell out and work with other brands. By selling your own stuff, you don't need to worry about integrating messages from other brands into your posting strategy. Better yet, you can get your own brand out there on the products you sell. 4. Create an Instagram shop. It all starts with an Instagram shop, aka your storefront. There, you can share your story and sell products. Instagram provides a sleek experience for shoppers to browse and buy your collections. All you need to set up Instagram shopping is a business or creator account. 5. Sell your photos online. Someone might get famous on Twitter by telling 140-character jokes, but Instagram is a photo-sharing app at its core. And photos are assets that can be licensed, printed, and sold in a variety of ways. If photography is what got you into the Instagram game in the first place, you can list your photos in marketplaces like 500px or 2020, where brands and publishers might license them. 7. Sell old stuff. If you're not an influencer and just want to make some extra cash, Instagram is a great place to sell old stuff. Whether it's furniture, clothing, collector's items, or even mason jars, you can make side income selling it on Instagram. Plus, you can declutter your home and help save the environment. How much money can you make on Instagram with 10K followers? As an influencer or content creator, reaching the 10K followers mark shows your reaching potential and the impact you can make. Your earning potential with 10K followers will depend on the niche and monetizing concept you pick. However, on an average you can earn up to $88 per post. How to earn from Instagram without followers? The notion that you must have 10K followers to make money on Instagram is false. Even if you don't have 100, 500 without any followers are. Affiliate marketing. Offer educational content. Build a professional and business account like Ask Nugget. Social media marketing. Sell and buy Instagram account.